Alright, so I got a window that won't roll down, and I need to take this door panel off, so I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. First thing is, there's a Phillips head screw right here. Helps if you hold this door latch up out of the way, and you're just going to unscrew that real quick. Okay, the next thing is I've got this this door lock right here, and I need to take it off, so that just unscrews. And the last thing I need to do is I need to get this door latch off. And to do that, I'm going to use a star bit. This is a Torx 40 size star wrench. I don't know if it's going to be the same on your Dodge truck, but most likely it will be. And right up in here is where the screw is that holds this latch on. So if you attach your Torx to anything that's got a long enough straight section on it, in this case I'm using a speed wrench, but any socket or driver or something that will reach up in there should work pretty good. You might want to get a flashlight, kind of get an idea where that thing is at. Move it around a little bit. Alright, so reach in there once you get a hold of that. I'm just going to undo that screw. And eventually your handle will come out. Alright, so once you've done all that, you're just going to lift this door panel up. Grab it, lift, it's going to come off, and it's going to be retained by your door switch cabling right here. So just take that off and your door panel is loose and you can work on your door. Now your power door motor is going to be down here. It's going to be underneath all this plastic, which I'm sure is on there for soundproofing. So you're just going to have to cut that away. Take a look at this. If you need to replace it, that's how you'd access it. But in this case, I'm pretty sure the wiring and the switch is bad, because the motor will roll the window down. It just won't roll the window back up. And there's only one motor that does both jobs, up and down. So pretty sure the problem's in the switch here, and we're going to see if we can't figure out how to get this window rolled up using some wires, some jumper wires in this connector here. And if that works, that tells us our motor's good, and we just need to find the problem in the wire or the switch. And these Dodge trucks are known for this cable right here going back and forth, because the door is opened all the time, and the wires get bent back and forth and then they break. But we're not going to show you how to fix that today. We're just going to show you how to get your window in the up position. Alright, so I downloaded this schematic here for a Dodge truck, and it's not the same model or same year or anything, but it should be pretty close. At any rate, it shows the connector here where I have three connections on one side, 2 on the other. Only 2 go out here to the motor right here. The third one comes in and is just used for an off position. So I'm thinking that all I got to do is connect the right 2 wires to the right switch, and it will either go forward or it will either go up or it will go down. So that's what I'm going to try to do. See if I get lucky, figure this out. And then that would verify that the motor's good and that my switch or the wiring harness is bad. First thing I want to figure out is my motor good, and can I roll my window up? Hey, look at that, I figured it out. The window, I can roll the window up. Here, let me show you. Pretty cool. Alright, so let me show you the configuration I had that made the window roll up. Now, of course, if you do this, you'll get sparks, you could catch your truck on fire. We highly recommend you never do anything you see me doing in a video. But what worked for me was this wire in the bottom connector. On the side with 4, there's 3 of them that have electrical connectors. This one up here is blank. And then the 2 over here, the bottom in my case, this bottom one here on the right is jumpered over to this one here, which is the bottom one on the side that has 2. And then when the truck is running, I connect this to this top side over here that has 2. My window rolls up. Now I would guess that if I reverse those wires around, I could get my window to roll down. But that tells me that I got power to the motor. The motor's good. It's just my switch is probably bad, and it's probably indeed this thing over here has got some broken wires in it, like everybody else has trouble with. But at any rate, if you pull that apart, get you some wires, you can get your window to roll up quick and easy.